Alright guys, I just want to check out the Promark GPS shadow drone with the GoPro Session 5 on there. So we want to see what that looks like. Now when you fly it with that, you can't use the app because the Wi-Fi module is built into the camera. Okay, so we just got to fly it manually. So we have to override the GPS by holding down the headless mode button for 3 seconds. This is just going to be a quick flight because I just want to see what the session looks like attached to something like this. I have the EIS on, so we'll see what it looks like. Okay, well for a minute there, it didn't want to work. Okay. See if we can turn up the rate a little bit. This thing does not like extra weight. Look how it falls down like that. This thing, it flies okay as long as you use the regular camera. Any kind of extra weight, and it just rejects it. It just like, it's built into the computer that it knows there's extra weight on it. And it completely flies like crap. It flew like crap with the Magoo, and it's flying like crap with this. The other camera, the one that comes with it, seems to fly fine. Just so wonky with that extra weight on there. Boy, I'll tell you, once you get used to those good fucking quadcopters, trying to fly these things is, I'm just letting it go right now. You see it's just drifting all by itself over there. Which is no big deal, you know, but it doesn't... You see how the motors are just being strained. It's flopping around so much, Kitty, it's even hard to control it. Well, look at that. And then you pull it down to lower the altitude some, it just wants to drop straight to the ground. So, I say no to this turd. With extra weight on it, forget about it. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to yeah, this thing is a piece of total dog shit with extra weight. Don't use any other camera on this thing but the one that comes with it, because it just... Any extra weight on this thing, it just doesn't like it one bit. Not one bit. Well, at least I saved that couple minutes of video, but You know, I flew this thing a bunch of times with the original camera, and I never had a problem with it. Then when I flew it with the Magoo, it did the same thing as this, and it's just not good with the extra weight on it, man. Other than that, it's okay, but with the weights, it sucks. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later.